Where to find order status. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Sephora and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on your profile at the top right and scroll down in here and click on purchase history. After you click on purchase history in here, on the left side, click on recent orders and you will find all your orders. Simply click on the order you want to see status of. After you click on it, at the bottom you'll find order status below your order, and then there you will be able to see if it's shipped, if it's delivered, or if it's packing. And in this way, you can find out your order status. This is where to find order status. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.